can get the IIM call only by doing the solve example in quant. This video is going to be the most controversial video, especially disliked by the people who are like me, say not possible. My friend prepared for 2 years and he couldn't get IIM call. How can you say with the solved examples? So let me base my premises on the fact that in the CAT paper, download last 2-3 year CAT papers, 2016, 17, 18. 17 and 18 available online as well. You will find 10 questions to be easy, 14 questions medium and 10 questions to be difficult. That is 34 mark ka breakup from the CAT paper. Yeah. Now out of 10 easy questions, most of them are as easy as a solved example. Okay. So if you don't believe me, download the paper. In the description box I given the link where you can download the CAT papers. So please download the CAT paper and check it yourself. You will find out yes, 8-10 questions are very easy. Now if you are not able to solve them, is because you have not yet done those topics. So that's why you're not able to solve. Yeah. Alright. Now 80 percentile is only 6 questions correct out of 34. 90 percentile is 10 questions correct and 19 percentile is 18 questions correct. That's based on the last year ka data. Now if I do 6 questions correct, and that's true for every year, it's not only for this year, every year the cutoff around 6 to 8 questions correct is around 80 percentile, 6 to 8 questions correct. So if I do only solve example of every chapter, now if you want to pick up Cetking book, you can take our books or you can pick up any book which has solve example. I'll see the theory and go to solve example. Every chapter contains around 20, 30, 40 solve example. Solve example means they already solved. You don't need to do anything else. If you can do only that part, which can fetch you 6 questions correct and 80 percentile, you are able to clear the cutoff of most of the IIMs. Yeah. I'm not saying we'll stop at 80 percentile. First do that. So it'll take you around 1 month ka time to do all the solve examples. I'm done with all the formulas. I'm done with all the solve examples. I have a basic knowledge. So if I start today, within 1 month, I can complete all the 20-25 chapters in the quant paper and complete all the basic solve examples. So if you give me an easy question, I can solve. For example, log 10 to the base 10, if you tell me to find out, I can solve that question. Obviously, if you give me a tough question, I won't be able to solve the question. Yeah. Which in fact, my friend who have been preparing for the last 2 years also can't solve. Okay. 8. The moment I do that, in 1 month, I can promise you, you can do 6 to 8 questions correct. Then I'll move the target to 90 percentile. Then I'll move the target to 99 percentile. Problem is, people are thinking directly jumping at 99 percentile. Overnight, you can't jump to 99 percentile. We have to go step by step. Yeah. Then only I can reach this target. It can take weeks or months to do that. Yeah. So let's target 80 percentile first. Then we'll move to 90. Then move to the 99 percentile. So solved example alone. So especially those who are very weak in the quant section, you should target first solved examples. Yeah. And what you can do is, we are launching this program for quant only. We have a specific program for quant, verbal, logic, DI as well. So in which we are going to conduct lectures in basics and advanced. All the shortcuts at basic level and advanced level. For the topic especially trying to leave. For example, I was in Delhi yesterday. So someone told me he's trying to leave geometry. Okay, geometry, PNC, probability tum chhod rahe ho. Chhod do, no problem. But can you at least do easy level of that, solve example of that? Yeah. Can you do all the basic and advanced workshops of that? If you can do that part only, it's more than sufficient to clear the IIM cutoff. 6 questions chahiye. Yeah. The moment I touch 6, I'll move the target to 9, 10. Okay, gradually will improve. Yeah. And all the marathon workshops are part of that. So in case you want to join our program, in the description box I given the link where you can join the classroom program or the online program. Please call us so that you can talk to you. So right now we have this offer going on. If you are buying only quant ka workshop, you are getting DI logic as well for free. So that will be added to the program so that it's free. So you focus on quant. Let me give you DI logic, DI and verbal for free so that we can target those questions as well. Yeah. Trust me, you can get IIM call at solve example only. So take a target, make a plan, sit for 1 month, do only solve example of every chapter. It's not easy, trust me. Doing theory and doing 30 solve example question, it's not easy. It will take you 3-4 hours every day. But within 1 month, I can promise you, you will improve the basics. You will understand all the formulas, you have done everything, and you will start solving good amount of question in your mocks as well. Now, some of the mocks are very, very difficult. Jabki CAT ka paper is not that tough. Yeah. So I'm not talking about you scoring marks in the mocks. I'm talking about the actual CAT paper where there will be 8 to 10 easy questions which we can easily target. Yeah. So it's called low hanging fruit. So the moment I'm able to solve this low hanging fruit, able to get 80 percentile, I'll immediately move the target to 90 percentile. and then target 99 percentile. Yeah, 18 questions, 17 questions, आधा paper solve करना. You do solve half paper to get 99 percentile. 10, 12 में we have to score 90%, 80% marks to be in the topper list. Here half paper solving is you on the topper list. Yeah. So first target 6, move the target to 10, then we move the target to 18. This is on the basis of last year paper. Obviously this year I can't predict paper कैसा आने वाला है. But what I can say based on last 2, 3, in fact 5 years analysis, this is a typical timeline or score required to clear the cutoffs or to get that much percentile. So score at that percentile. So solve examples, you can do that. You can try that challenge. Alright, all the best.